here, I have both a OneDrive and a Google Drive, so I have both of them linked, but you can choose one or the other. So if you're only Microsoft, you don't even have to have the Google Drive icon show up. That can be adjusted on the back end so that the only thing that they have access to will populate here. So maybe it's OneDrive and SharePoint and Dropbox, but not Google Drive. And the benefit of that is that that's where they can bring in all of their current resources that they're using all the time. So I can come in here to my drive and maybe I can't remember what I picked on, a picture. So it already filters out, like I wanted to bring in a photo from my drive and it already filtered out things so I don't have to scroll through all my documents. It does maintain my folder structure here, but if I want to bring in my image, then I can just pull that image directly into my EZWrite file, and that functions very similarly whether it's an image or a document. So if I have a PDF that I want to bring in, or a PowerPoint, or any kind of a doc file, I can bring those in to EZWrite, and I can also now utilize not only the tool, not only the resource, but then also all of the tools. So now this is a worksheet that was in my drive. Maybe I'm gonna zoom out, move it over. I can use my pen tool to come in here and annotate. I can even do the so I can tap one side of the pen with one color. And so now, like if I want my students to come up and annotate, but they're gonna circle in another color, you can just flip the pen around and write in 2 colors. And when I zoom out and move this around, my annotations are gonna stay. And so a lot of times teachers will ask me, how do I edit a document, or how do I move a resource and keep my annotations? By bringing that into EZWrite and being able to manipulate that. And so now I can have 2 students come up to the board, give one the pen, the other uses their finger, and now you've got 2 different colors happening at the same time. And students just love to be able to come up and pick their little colors and engage with the board. And now we have multiple resources. When I switch to the next page and go back, all of my annotations are still there. So those annotations are directly on that one EZWrite page. So you don't have to worry about losing that from page to page. And as we continue to go, you'll see here that now we've got like a 10-page file that we're going through. So when I'm ready for a new whiteboard page, I just tap the plus sign and now I've got a new whiteboard page. I know a lot of times teachers are like, I don't want to get rid of my whiteboard and get one of these, because they will fight to the death for their whiteboard space. But because this is an unlimited whiteboard, they can just continue adding new pages and they don't have to lose all that information from before. They don't have to erase anything. I can't tell you how many times I was taking pictures of my whiteboard with my student work because I'm like, this was a great lesson and now I'm gonna have to erase everything, and it like breaks my heart.